So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. So the privacy and security in online social media, week third, assignment third. So the first question is, which of the following statement is are true about Twitter and its API? So S1, Twitter keys can be created from developer twitter.com. Twitter API has no rate limit. We can collect any number of tweets using Twitter API. Streaming API can collect all the tweets related to certain events. So the answer of first question is first, only S1 is true. Now the second question is, consider the following statement. Which of the following option is false? So these are the option: MySQL support dynamic queries and is schema free, whereas MongoDB is schema dependent. Second, MongoDB is a document-based data model. Third, MongoDB is a better choice than MySQL when your data has a lot of relations. MongoDB is faster than MySQL. So the answer of second question is A. MySQL supports dynamic queries and is schema free, whereas MongoDB is schema dependent. Now the third question is, what is the full form of WOT in the context of website reputation scoring? So the option is Web of Technology, Web of Trust, World of Telemetry, Wizard of OZ. So the answer of third question is B, Web of Trust. Now the fourth question is, which of the following is the most powerful tool to build real-time applications that can process and analyze tweets and can do sentimental analysis, trending events, etc. So these are the option: Twitter API, Graph API, Twitter Streaming API, Pro. So the answer of fourth question is C, Twitter Streaming API. Now the fifth question is, consider the example, match the categories fundamentalist, pragmatists, and unconcerned with each example. So these are the examples. So the answer of fifth question is A. Example 1, pragmatist. Example 2, fundamentalist. Example 3, unconcerned. Now the sixth question is, which of the following statement are true about fundamentalists? So these are the options, and the answer of sixth question is A and B. They generally avoid being identified, avoid being in pictures. They generally use technologies to avoid tracking them. Now the seventh question is, which of the following is true? TweetCred. TweetCred is a Chrome extension that helps to find tweet credibility. Web of Trust score is used to denote a website reputation. Both A and B, none of the above. So the answer of seventh question is C, both A and B. Now the eighth question is, the basic method for adding data to MongoDB is dash. To insert a single document, use the collections dash method. So these are the option: insert, insert one, insert, insert many, add one, none of the above. So the answer of eighth question is A, insert, insert one. Now the ninth question is, which of the following Python command are correct with respect to connection with MongoDB? So these are the programs, and the answer of ninth question is all: A, B, C, D, all. Now the 10th question is, given below is the sample data in JSON format. Here X randomly named restaurant with corresponding rating will be created in the MongoDB database called restaurants. These restaurants are created in a single collection called reviews. Choose the correct command to find the total number of restaurant rated with a A1. So these are the list of restaurant, and the answer of 10th question is A, db.reviews database.reviews find rating 1 count. So submit your answer. So thank you friends for watching this video.